Hello, Brew U fans. Though I'm wearing a sweater and none of my azaleas have bloomed, we are here to talk about spring beer because the calendar says it's spring and the breweries are telling us it's spring by shipping in their new seasonals. This is a great spring beer from the brewery, which only sends its beers in these big bottles. This is a Saison de Lent. A fine beer. This is something you could have with Easter dinner with your family. Take it on a picnic. It would look great on a picnic basket. It's got this very nice little Easter egg melded into the design. It's your usual farmhouse taste. Goes great with food. It's a little hoppy, but I think for those of you that are looking for something a little special, something a little unique, try this. This is Magic Hat's Spring Seasonal. It's called Vinyl. I'm a big fan of Magic Hat's number 9. Some of their other stuff I think wanders a little bit off the beaten path. This is a good solid session beer. It's an amber ale. Pours quite dark in the glass, and at 5.1% you can consume a lot of these. The final beer, the final big seasonal that's come in over the past couple of weeks is the New Belgian Mighty Arrow. This is a pale ale and it's very well done. It's got 35 IBUs. I actually find it quite comparable to the Sierra Nevada Pale Ale, and that's a pretty high compliment. You can drink this by itself. It's got a nice hop tang to it, the citrus, it's very well done. And it also goes quite well with food. I would try it with some barbecue or even some pizza.